Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 7, lesson 5, advanced features of Excel part 2 video. Formatting the legend. Legend is a box that identifies the pattern or color assigned to a data series in a chart. Legend is a box that identifies the pattern, color assigned to a data series in a chart. Means in a chart you provide a different type of color pattern. So this is called legend. How to apply legend? You follow some steps. Step first, in order to change the format, right click the legend and select format legend. Right click the legend and select format legend. The format legend dialog box will appear like this. Step third, there are several options where we can change the legend positions, fill, border color, border style and other formatting option here. Fill, border color, border style, shadow, glow and soft edge, and you can click according to your requirement. After that you click close button and your format legend, your chart legend formatted according to your requirement. So very important to change the legends format in different charts of Excel. So legend is a box that identifies the pattern or color assigned to a data series in a chart. So when you follow these steps, you can easily to format the legend of chart. Very simple steps. Step first, in order to change the format legend, right click the legend and select the format legend option. Step 2, format legend dialog box will appear here. Here the format legend box appear. Step 3, there are several options where you can change the legend position, field, border color, border style, shadow. There are so many options. You fill according to requirement, and after that you close button, your formatting legend change in your chart. Next is changing the scales of value. An axis is a side of chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart or column chart is created, it has an x-axis and y-axis. We can, however, customize the scales to meet our needs and requirements. Follow these steps. Means changing the scales of value axis means an axis is a side of chart that contains the value according to which chart is plotted. Means there are two type of axis in a chart, x-axis and y-axis. And time to time we change the value of axis. So follow these steps. Point the mouse at y-axis, right click on it and select format axis option from the shortcut menu. When you follow, use here show the dialog box. The format axis dialog box will open like this. Select the axis options tab, click the fixed and option per minimum and enter 20 in the text box. So you can give here a minimum and maximum. Then automatically your axis convert a range. Similarly, enter 200 in maximum text box. Click on close button. The chart will display the value between 20 to 200. It means give the in range between 20 means 20 to 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and up to 200. Means through this you can easy way to change the axis value. Here minimum 20 and maximum 200. The range of axis value 20 to 200. You can easily way to format access value. Next one, formatting data series. We can format data series by changing the bar color. We can format data series by changing the bar colors, line, slice and shifting its position. Let us follow these steps. Right click on the data series, select format data series option from the shortcut menu. Data series and click the right click on data series and format data series options. Open. Yeah, you can see that format data series dialog box will appear like this. Click the border styles. Here the border styles, type width of border. Click the fill tab. There are so many options here. You can fill according to your requirement. Choose the picture, the text fill options here. You select the choose picture options. Then you apply a picture. Click on the textual button and select any textual from the display choice. Means you can select according to requirement. You can select like border styles, fill tab, picture, your text fill, and after that you click close option. Then your formatting data series show on your chart. Inserting pictures. We can also insert pictures in worksheet. Follow these steps. Step first, select any cell, say example C12. Click the insert tab and go click art option. Insert tab and go click art option. Type car in a search box. Use your search car, garden, anything. And after that press enter key. A list of clip art image related to cars will display. Related to your search display here. Click the desired clip art to insert on the worksheet. Means after that you find your desired pictures and you click to insert it. Adjust the size according to your need. Click the drag and clip art where you want to place. And after that you will click the image, your image show on your chart, and according to requirement you can easy way to drag and minimize and maximize and change the position of the image. This is a very simple method to insert pictures or image in your chart. Goal seek. Goal seek is a process of calculating a value by performing what is analyzed on a given set of value. Goal seek means the process of calculating value by performing what if analyzed on a given set of value. Means through the set of value you can analyze your data. You give some condition to analyze your data. For our purposes, Excel's goal seek feature lets you adjust a value used in formula to achieve a specific goal. Through this, you can easily to achieve your specific goal. Means you want to search anything, find anything, and then you provide a specific criteria. And when your specific criteria is performed, then you can reach a specific goal. Yeah. Put another way, goal seek determine input values needed to achieve specific goal. It means you can put input, specific input, and after that you find your desired output. So this is called the goal seek. Data consolidate. Data consolidations allow you to gather together your data from separate worksheet into a master worksheet. Means data consolidation means you can allow to gather together your separate worksheet and master worksheet. Means you can join master worksheet and also separate like worksheet A, B, C. You can join through is called data consolidate. In other words, the data consolidation function takes data from series of worksheet or workbook and summarize it into a single worksheet that you can update easily. Through data consolidation, you can manage 2-3 sheets data in a single sheet. So this is called the data consolidate. Means suppose that you have 3 sheet A, sheet B and sheet C. Then when you follow data consolidate, then you can 3 sheets data merge in one sheet. So this is called the data consolidate. Grouping worksheet. When you press and hold control key, you can select multiple individual worksheets and group them together. Means you want to grouping. When you click, hold the control key, press the control key, and through mouse you select A, B, C like a worksheet, and after that when you release the control key, your 3 sheets in grouped in single. If you have a much larger workbook, so this is impractical. If you want to group all the worksheets in an Excel workbook, you can save time by right clicking on the worksheet list at the bottom of Excel window. And when you process these things, then you can easily to group. Let the group A, B and group C. 3 of the worksheet have list of the student of different class named A, class A, B and class C. So when you want to grouping worksheet, then you hold click the control key, and through the mouse you can select your sheets like sheets class A, class B, class C. Then your 3 sheets in a group and join single. Make a group. After that, homework. Question first, what is chart? Question 2, how a column chart is different from a bar chart. Question 3, what is the difference between chart area and plot area? Question 4, how will you group a worksheet? Question 5, what do you understand by the term data consolidation? Hopefully you understand all contents of this video. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.